Hey guys, let's see how to break a padlock. I just lost the key for this one. So it's pretty simple. You just need to have a tool that you put here in the middle and you force that way, right? Then you break it. And just use pliers, for example. I've seen people using wrenches. So basically that's the same idea. Just put the plier here and another one here. Then I'm gonna force to the opposite direction, right? Just try with this plier that I have just right here. Then I want to force that way and see if I can break it. There we go. Yeah, it broke. See? Basically, it's pretty simple, and I'm good to go. Broke pretty bad, right? I hope this helps. Please leave your thumbs up, your comments, and subscribe to the channel.